Onto the normal distribution. A machine puts liquid into bottle perfume. The amount of liquid put into each bottle is D, and it's normally distributed by 25. So we can say that D is normally distributed by 25 over sigma squared, which we do not know. I'm going to be speed running this, so it's going to be a fast solution. Given that 15% of the bottles are less than 24.63. Now, if we were to demonstrate this on a little bell curve, this is how it's going to look like. 25, 24.63, and it's less than 15%. So this is 15%. So all you're going to say is that probability that Z is less than 24.63 minus 25 over sigma is equal to 15%. Okay? Contain less. Yes. Okay. Now, 15% is a specific percentile, which is given in our formula over here. But for this, we have to make the probability sign greater. So all you're going to do is just make it positive. 24.63 minus 25 divided by sigma is equal to 15%. Now we can say that this is going to give me, let's put this in the calculator, 24.63 minus 25, which gives us, well, this minus are going to cancel out. So it's going to be 0.37 is equal to 15% is 1 point, I forgot, 2816. 2816 sigma. So divide both sides by 1.2816 sigma. Sigma is going to give me, what does this give? Let's see, 1.2816 gives us 0.357. Now we know sigma. Our lives are going to be hopefully easy. So now it's going to be 25, and now we have 0.357. Okay, now onto the real deal. Find the value of k such that this is equal to 0.45. So the probability 24.63 is less than D, less than K, is equal to 4.5. So let's try to visualize this on our graph before we attempt. Holy God. So this is our graph, 25. So the fact that 24.63 and K, so the probability that it's within this is 0.45. And we know that the probability that less than this is 0.5. So the total is 0.6, and the remaining is going to be 0.4. So we can say that the probability K is, or Z, or D is greater than K is equal to 0.4, was it? 4. And now this is piece of cake. We're going to standardize this. K minus 25 divided by 357 is equal to 0.4. And you're lucky because we are lucky because 0.4 is a specific percentage, which is given over here, 0.2533. So all we're going to say is K minus 25 is equal to 0.2533 times 0.357. So K is equal to 0.2533 times 0.357 plus 25. K is equal to 25.904 dot dot dot. They said 2 decimal places, I believe, 2 decimal places. So all you're going to say is K is equal to 25.09. As simple as that. Okay. Those were 5 marks. The random sample of 20 bottles is taken. Using normal approximation, find the probability that fewer than half of these bottles contain few of these half a random sample of bottle is taken. Okay. So a normal approximation. So now our range has become that the bottles are 200 and contained between. So now the percentage is 0.45. So what we can do here is um, the probability that okay, yes. So the weight of the distribution. So it's like there are 25 of these. Up until this is what the IAL specification kind of like concludes. This is for the GCE part. So I think I should do this in a different separate video.